Guys, Miguel here. Quick video. I just got these two flexvolt batteries, and then I needed an actual space to put the batteries in. I have this little shelf for my 9 amp hour flexvolt, but for the 6 I'm kind of running out of space. These guys actually just go in all of the other tools that I have, and pretty much what I'm going to be using is the supplied battery cover. So what I do over here is I drill a hole and then drill a hole and then put the screws in, and then I could use it as over here. Let's see, I've got too much stuff going on over here, but for the most part that's where the second one is going to go. I have a screw that I'm going to put into the hole over here. Let me just find the hole. Where did you go? Okay. So that one is in, but I don't want it to be flimsy. It's not that flimsy, but pretty much I'm gonna make another hole right here. With a self-tapping screw. Oops. It does that from time to time, especially if you make 4 holes with it. Just until you hear that, and then you're going to have a hole. I'm going to use a countersink so that I can could fit the screw that I'm going to use on it, and it's going to be inside so that it doesn't interfere with the sliding of the battery. And where did I put the screw? Alright, so it's just a small screw that I'm using, and then this one should go all the way in. And then pretty much my other 6 amp hour battery is just going to slide right in. And then now I have a holder that I didn't have to pay extra for to use as a battery holder. And pretty much got the batteries over there, some batteries charging, and then a couple of my dewalt tools over here just hanging out. And hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.